Hello people, so welcome back to my channel. We have another Bakugan unboxing. I've been doing a lot of Bakugan stuff. Beyblade Burst GT just came out, so I might do some reviews on that. But as of right now, we have a Bakugan Series 1. That means like Series 1. This is like when Bakugan first started. So guys, if you have any of these B1 Bakugans, hold on to them, because that is like the big blast from the past, dude. Like, seriously, what I'm going to be unboxing today is a Bakuclip pack with a Ventus Fear Ripper and the Ventus Bakuclip. Now, what it comes with is one Fear Ripper, 2 cards. I think it comes with a gate card and an ability card, if I'm not mistaken, but we'll see. So let's just open this. I don't want to mess up the box too much, guys, because this box is like very old. And why does this always happen to me whenever I do a Bakugan unboxing? Alright, so it comes with, it comes with the 1 gate card and 1 ability card. So it comes with this gate card, which is called Light Burst. And it gives 50 to Pyrus, 50 to Aquas, 90 to Subterra with the highlight, 200 for Chaos, and 170 for Darkest, and 110 for Ventus. So pretty good amount, especially for Chaos. No description in the bottom. Weird. And it also came with an ability card called Darkest. So we have the Bakugan out of the package, and let's just get the new gate card that came with it, which is Light Burst in perfect condition. Let's see if I can roll it onto the gate card. Oh, you gonna pop open? Nope. Here, maybe with the spin roll. There we go. This is Ventus Fear Ripper with 530 G's right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And how you close it's really simple. So this is my way of closing it. I just put the claws together and then just push it down like that. So pretty easy. It does come with this clip that you just push your Bakugan in them and they stay in very nice. They don't pop out. And how you would get them out is, you see this, you would just press your finger, or what I like to do is just do like that and just kind of open the clip a little bit, just like that. But it's however you guys want to do it. If you are watching to either buy this product or if you have it and you don't know what it is. But this is basically just my review on this set with Fear Ripper and this Bakuclip. Now, I don't think the G power is always going to be 530. The power could be lower. Remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and ding, ding, ding that notification bell. And like always, to infinity and beyond!